Hi everyone, have your students told you that writing is a difficult skill to master? You can help them master this skill by providing them appropriate feedback. When students write, they may make different types of errors. This includes grammatical rule-based errors and lexically-based errors, also called word choice errors. For example, the choice of preposition in pay attention to, rather than pay attention on, and focus attention on, rather than focus attention to. Grammar errors are relatively easier to be addressed by providing direct and indirect feedback. However, identifying and providing your students feedback on lexical errors might be more challenging for you. It is because these word uses are idiosyncratic and have no systematic rule to consult. To provide clear and organized feedback on lexical errors to your students, you may first need to categorize their lexical errors, then provide a task to address these lexical errors. Research has shown lexical accuracy is significantly and positively correlated with students' second language writing quality. Therefore, how to use words appropriately in second language writing is important. However, choosing appropriate words is difficult because students often decide which words to use based on their first language knowledge. The use of some words in their first language may be partially or completely contradictory to their second language. When wrong lexical choices are made, this results in word choice errors. It is often the second language writing teacher's responsibility to administer corrective feedback to reduce these errors. So as a teacher, what types of feedback should you give to your students? How should you provide this feedback to them? The technique that will be introduced today may give you some inspiration. I will outline how you can help students practice and improve word choice accuracy. First of all, you should select the type of word choice error to target. For instance, you might select verb-noun collocations due to their high frequency in English and the problems they cause in students' writing. Next, you provide students with a picture or series of pictures, each with a question. The students answer these questions with or without a peer and then use the answers to write a narrative, descriptive, or reflective composition. Since the writing is more focused than an open-ended writing prompt, you will be more prepared for the word choice errors that are likely to occur in the student's writing. For example, the sample pictures you see here aim to elicit the target collocations painting, take walk, express opinion, swing bat, get hurt, and hold bat. Students may write something like receive hurt instead of get hurt and make opinion instead of express opinion. You can choose targeted collocations for the pictures by referencing any collocation dictionary published by major publishing houses. You can highlight your students' wrong expressions and provide them with the correct ones. This is considered as direct feedback because you have directly provided the students the proper uses. Also, as only one type of word choice error was corrected, this feedback is considered focused. Just prior to returning the compositions to students, you can provide instruction on the concept of collocation and the importance of collocation accuracy. This instruction can also include several examples of correct verb-noun collocations that were not targeted in the lesson. As your students get more familiar with this writing task, you can slowly begin scaffolding students to self-correct word choice errors. This can be done through gradually providing direct feedback on an increasingly smaller percentage of errors while still highlighting the remaining errors but without providing the corrected forms. This is providing students indirect focused feedback. You can also use this writing task to target other lexical errors besides verb-noun collocations. If you want to know more about giving feedback on word choice errors, feel free to check out this paper.